What's up, guys? Welcome to Bath and Shower Tile Ideas episode 37. This is another 3-day build shower remodel. Let's show you what we have to work with. Here's a little garage. So here is our shower tray, fiberglass shower tray and drain kit. This is going to be a conversion tub to walk-in shower. We've got our decorative mosaic here. This is going to be a 12-inch mosaic stripe across the back wall, diving into the niche. We've got rectified 12 by 24 porcelain here, installing it vertically. So here's the garage. We're going to stack all the debris here for the dump run. Let's go upstairs and show you the original builder's grade shower. Okay, so here is the condo. We were left a deposit check as well as a key. Nobody will be here for the build. We've got our tool set up in this spare bedroom, and here is the shower. We've got vinyl planks in right now. Everything else is staying. We are only remodeling the shower here, so cabinet top is going to stay for the vanity. Again, here's our mosaic, and here is fiberglass tub surround. We've got a steel tub here, fiberglass surround. This is going to take maybe 20 minutes to remove and demo. We're going to remove this shower valve, raise the shower head. Let's get to work. And there it is. Demo is complete. Took us 30 minutes to remove the panels, remove the valve. We're draining the water right now so we can cut this and install our new shower valve. But 3-day build, already going very smoothly.
Crowd coming to see me. If I did all of those jokes in front of just a random London crowd, yeah, I did Liverpool, Manchester, Glasgow, I can't remember.
Well, that's a wrap. Let's quickly give you a walkthrough, a tour, talk about design, tile use, layout, waterproofing, etc. Here we go. Okay, now we did not install this floor. Our only responsibility was this shower. We'll start with the shower tray. It's retrofit for a tub to walk-in conversion. As you can see, the drain location is over there. Yes, we had to do some adjustments with the ABS P-trap drain kit, but very easy install. It's a low profile tray with some texture, as you can see there. Let's show you the field wall tile. Installed was a 12 by 24 rectified porcelain. Grout joints are at a 1/16 of an inch. Our layout is at a 50% offset. As you can see here, we have full tiles landing right at the bottom of the niche. Do some pre-planning for that. The walls are flat via Pagrin tile leveling system. Of course, we installed a new valve, raised the shower head, installed this neat magnetic shower head, as you can see there. Let's show you the mosaic. This is a flower mosaic. A little time consuming to install this, just a heads up for installers. 12 inches wide, wraps all around, as you can see. The flowers continue from the adjacent walls, wraps all the way into the niche and onto the other side of the niche. Let's show you the trim. This is Schluter Rondeck. It is a metal textured trim. You might see a little discoloration in the grout. We just sealed the shower, but we mitered the trim at all four corners. Everything looks tight and clean. The grout used is Prism, and the sealer is 511 by Miracle. And that is pretty much it, guys. The 3-day build, fiberglass tray, retrofit, flat, clean walls, high gloss tile, easy to clean and maintain. You've got a very neat and fun decorative stripe wrapping through the niche. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one. That's the one. That's the one. That's the one.